Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. If you are looking for a holiday cocktail that is bubbly, bright, and festive, then this Winter Spritz is for you. It has the flavors of orange and cranberry, making it a great fit for all the winter parties. Start by making a cranberry simple syrup that uses fresh cranberries, sugar, and water. The two main secrets to making this simple syrup is to not let the cranberries come to a rapid boil, rather a simmer. Also, it's important to strain the cranberries through a fine mesh strainer and lightly press on them to help release their juice. Once the syrup is made, refrigerate for at least 6 hours. To make the Winter Spritz, fill a large wine glass 3/4 of the way full with ice and add your favorite orange liqueur. Next, add in the chilled cranberry simple syrup. It's important to note that some may prefer a sweeter cocktail than what is called for in this recipe, so it never hurts to have extra simple syrup on hand. Finally, top with Prosecco and a splash of sparkling water. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.